YouTube channel Raise a Cat, and today we will see the concept of battery. Okay, so what is the concept of battery and how we will solve the questions when the batteries are connected in series or in parallel. Okay, and when the polarity of battery is opposite and when the polarity of the battery is same, so how we will solve the question, and the potential of batteries can also differ. Okay, so one or more batteries if they are there, so how we will solve the questions like this. Okay, so in the case of this battery, what is this? Suppose that two batteries are there, first having a potential of V1 and second having a potential of V2. So the potential this is, suppose that this is a battery. Okay, so there are two batteries, first having V1 and second having V2. So the net potential will be V1 plus V2. Okay, in the case of battery. So now we will see what is in the case of battery. This is a small concept. In the case of the battery, what is the situation? So V net will be V1 plus V2 in the case of the battery. Okay, and in this case of the battery, if the two are connected like this, so the net will be V1 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2, 1 upon V net. Okay, so like this. So now in this we will see that the two of the terminals which are there are of the same. So suppose that this is a positive, then negative, then positive. So negative is connected to the positive. So then we use this positive sign. Okay. But when is this negative is connected to negative. Okay. So suppose that this type of arrangement is there. This is positive, then negative, then again positive. Okay. So how we will solve this? It will be V1 minus V2. Okay, V net. So if they are connected series wise, but the negative is connected to negative, so then the net will be V1 minus V2 or V2 minus V1. So suppose that this is connected like this to these two resistances, R1 and R2. So how will we write the equation? Plus V2 minus V1 plus I1 IR1 plus IR2 equal to 0. And in this, if we will solve this, if I came out to be negative, then the direction of the current is opposite. What we assume, so suppose that we are assuming direction of current like this, but the I came out to be negative. Okay, so it only means that the direction what we assumed is the wrong direction and the correct direction is the opposite direction. Okay, so this type of questions in battery can also be asked, that how to find the direction of the current. What is the direction of the current if two or more batteries are given? So if the two or more batteries are given, the direction cannot be told from the one terminal of the battery. So suppose that this is a positive terminal, if one battery is there, so we can easily tell this is the direction. But if the two batteries are there, so this and this, so we cannot tell what is the correct direction. Okay, so we have to solve this, and if the current is negative, then the direction what we assumed is wrong and we have to change the direction. Okay, and we can also see like if V2 is more and V1 is less. So suppose that this is 6 and this is 4, so current net will be in this like this and 2. If this is 6 and this is 4, so net will be like this and 2. So this also we can do, but on the safe side, if more batteries are there, so how we will solve like this? If the current is negative, then the opposite direction, and if the current is positive, then the direction assumed is correct. And like this, in the case of the series batteries, V2 minus V1 or V1 minus V2. But if the batteries are in parallel like this is first battery and this is second, we know that this is 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. Okay. But if the batteries are like this is the positive terminal like this, and this here the negative terminal is there. So V net will be 1 by V1 minus 1 by V2. So like this. So 1 by V net is equals to 1 upon V net minus 1 upon V2. And how we will put this V net like this, V net. And if the V net came out to be negative, so how we will write like this. So firstly we will take this V net as positive. So this positive we will take as positive, and this negative like this we will take as negative. But while solving, if V net came out to be negative, so what we will do, we will just do the polarity opposite and we will solve the question. Okay, so like this, in the case of the battery, these are the things which you have to remember. If the batteries are in parallel, the net is 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. But if one of the terminal is opposite, so how we will write minus 1 by V2. But if the V net came out to be negative, then the battery to be put it like this. If V1 came out to be, V net came out to be positive, then the battery to be put it like this. So these are the things which we have to remember for solving the questions when battery are in series or parallel. Okay, and the net potential of the battery is asked. Okay, thank you.